Here's how to draw an oblique line using a protractor. First, draw a point where the oblique line should start. Press the T-square against the side of the drawing board. Left-handed people place the T-square to the right side of the drawing board, while right-handed people place the T-square to the left side of the drawing board. Slide the T-square so that the top edge of its blade is just below the point marked in Step 1. Place the protractor against the blade of the T-square. Then align its point of origin with the point marked in Step 1. Hold the T-square and the protractor steady with one hand. Measure the desired angle using the protractor and draw a second point just above the scale. Remove the T-square and the protractor. Connect the 2 points by drawing a straight line with a ruler. This is how you draw an oblique line using a protractor.